video brings to you the activities we did in Jungfrau and our return journey from Jungfrau to Lauterbrunnen, that is, the traditional route. Our first activity was visiting the Ice Palace. It was cold inside. As we entered, it was a world of ice we saw. Different types of models made from ice were displayed.
The journey from Interlaken to Jungfrau is done in separate video. Link given in the description box. Do check it out.
The next place we visited was the plateau. It's the open area outside from where 360-degree view of the Jungfrau region can be observed on a clear day. The day we visited, it was snowing and windy, but it was a great experience in itself. We quickly came back after enjoying the freezing weather and went towards the shopping center and the Lindt shop. How did you enjoy? How did you enjoy, huh?
Nice.
The souvenir shop had many items, but we bought a fridge magnet only. Here the regular items were little bit pricey, which you can get it from Zurich also, where it costs less. We bought souvenirs which has written Jungfrau on it.
Next stop was Lindt shop. I played here for a while but didn't bought chocolates because we already visited Lindt Home of Chocolate and bought a huge variety from them. The link of the separate vlog on Lindt Home of Chocolates is given in the description box.
Now we'll go to the observatory.
We walked through a tunnel that took us to the freeze. But before that, we passed through a passageway with giant screens.
So Achman, what you are having?
I'm having spicy and chunky chicken couple bits.
And Antara, what you are making?
So I'm making nor soup, chicken soup.
That we take from?
India. We took bread from home yesterday, so we had dinner with soup and bread. Today also, we are having soup and bread.
The Alpine Sensation is a 250-meter long adventure tunnel which tells us the story of the Jungfrau Railway and development of tourism in the Alps. The light and sound was attractive. And after exploring Jungfrau, we began our journey downwards to claim Scheidegg by train. Here we had to change and take another train to Lauterbrunnen. The journey was surreal. If you want, you can go to Grindelwald from here too, instead of Lauterbrunnen.
Don't cross the white line. Let's go. Oh, this one say Grindelwald. A is there. Lauterbrunnen.
In Lauterbrunnen, yes.
Do watch out for a separate video on the beauty of Lauterbrunnen and the waterfalls. Please shower lots and lots of likes and shares to support the channel. 3tickets signing off. Happy traveling!